All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 3, dude. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. A customer bought a box just now and left them. He had to go back to work, but he let me leave them. But check these cards out, man. Look how nice these are. These are sick. That's just the base. Here's what he got. And see, you get rookie base cards this year too. I saw a Dobbs in there. That's really, really good too. I like that. There's a Watt to 199. Where's his hits? He left them here for me to preview them because Dobbs. I love the base. But here's his hits. He hit. The base are what my favorite. Look better than the hits. But the hits look pretty good. Foreman, and then Didi to 25. He got Foreman to 149, and then he got Ingram. But man, these base are just gorgeous. I love them. I mean, when you guys see them in person, I mean, they're beautiful cards. I might even build a set of those. Bottom left. So this one, make sure I got my right and left. Good luck, bro. Good luck. Okay. Yeah, this is my base cards are amazing. Hopefully we hit a big monster. McCaffrey rookie rising. See, I don't even think he had one of those in his whole box. That's to $2.99. I mean, that card is freaking nice. Y'all know I tell it like it is. I'll tell you when good one sucks, or you know, these are sick. Sheehan. Evan Ingram to 25. Good grief. He's hot too. Yeah, Evan Ingram to 25. I'll check the backs of them when we're done. We're going to start selling stuff by the pack too. What we're going to do with these that have all the hits, we're going to put them in the showcase. Like I just put a box out. A guy bought half a box and left. I didn't even see what he got. Rams. Josh Reynolds. Okay. Humphrey. I don't even think he got a jersey. Did he? Number to 79. There's one to 99. And we're going to put them in the showcase, and then you're just going to tell us the number you want. That way people don't have to spend, you know, $100 or $200 on a box. On some of this that has multiple hits, that's what we're going to do. If it has multiple hits, we're probably going to start breaking it by the pack for people in the store. Devontae, Tim Brown to 149. That Dak is nice. Like I said, they're the best looking base cards of the year. Prism will be out before long. I'm sure those will look really good too. I'm a big, ooh, there's a Tom Brady. Carlos Hyde to 75. DeMarco. There's a Switzer. Webb. $2.99. Amari. I like it because you have the rookies in there where you can recoup a lot of your money. There's a Eli to 10. 5 of 10. There's a lot of number cards in this stuff. Big bang for your buck on eBay. There's something in there that's thick. Who could it be? It's Ingram again. So he pulled. At least we're getting the hot one. 49. Ingram to 49. Josh Reynolds. Jamal Adams to 199. Look, Howard. We should. Wow, look how this thing is thick. Yeah, see, it's got a hit. John Ross auto patch to $2.99. So he got Ross, Ingram, and Reynolds. We'll go through the base here in a second and see if there was any other. Yeah, the Eli to 10 is pretty cool. Trubinsky, Martin, Tomlinson. Let's see if we got any other numbered stuff that I missed. He took some of his with him. 149. There's a Everett to 99. Russell to 299. Brown to 149. Devontae to 299. Webb to 299. Hyde to 199. Berthard to 299. Fabian Moreau 199. Jamal Adams to 199. Matt Ryan to 99. Martin to 299. Be sure to check your base, guys, because there's going to be like one of ones and things like that in this stuff. There's McCaffrey to 299, Eli to 10, Evan Ingram to 25. So he got some really nice cards. I'm gonna get everything sleeved up. If anybody wants any, let me know. We're going to do a whole case break too of this. I think it's like 29 a spot. We'll random the teams, but we got quite a bit of stuff in this week. We have Update. I mean, we have probably the most wax we've ever had. Update, Jumbo Regular, Heritage High Numbers, Heritage Minors, Phoenix, Unparalleled, XR, Chrome, Treasures, Immaculate, Spectra, Origins, Impeccable. Cases of Impeccable. We have cases of stuff too. Back there we have quite a few cases, and then in the store, in the office, we have quite a few. So anyway, if you like hockey, we're starting to build back up the hockey. Picked up ice and artifacts. So I appreciate the business, fellas. Talk to you later.